7 keto DHEA versus DHEA. So Sid Larry says, if 7 keto doesn't increase your hormone levels, wouldn't be better to take 7 keto DHEA instead of regular? Explain the pros and cons of both and which one you recommend.
Yeah, sure. So 7 keto DHEA is garbage. You'll find that 7 keto DHEA is very heavily marketed in countries where it's illegal to sell DHEA over the counter because it's scheduled, so that it allows them to actually sell a supplement that they can market and just sell online or whatever without a prescription. So 7 keto DHEA is a metabolite of DHEA that doesn't have any hormonal activity, and it hasn't really been shown to be very effective for doing much of anything. What it arguably does is it does increase the metabolic rate of the body slightly, so people market it for fat loss. But where it really gets misconstrued is people say, well, you can get the benefits of DHEA without the side effects of DHEA. And it doesn't work like that. That's like saying like you can use Clomid to get the benefits of testosterone without the side effects of testosterone. It doesn't work. So 7 keto DHEA, it just doesn't do anything beneficial. I've had guys supplement with it. No one has ever noticed anything from DHEA, 7 keto DHEA. But at the end of the day, if you have low levels of DHEA, you need to optimize them. And if you don't have low levels of DHEA and you don't have low DHEA symptoms, I wouldn't be messing around with any of it. It's just not needed. So if you're having issues with DHEA and you do have low DHEA levels and you're wondering if 7 keto might give you like less side effects or if it might be a better option, it's not. You just need to alter your dose of your DHEA, and it's important to get blood work. I think the big mistake that guys make with DHEA is, particularly like in the States where it's over the counter, they treat it just like a supplement. They just whack it in and see what happens. But treat DHEA just like you treat your testosterone. You dial in your levels, you optimize, you make a change, you wait 4 to 6 weeks, you test your levels and you adjust from there. Don't just play around with these willy-nilly. But yeah, 7 keto DHEA is a complete waste of time. The pros of DHEA, if you have low DHEA levels, DHEA is an extremely potent antidepressant. It is also stimulating. It shares a lot of mechanisms with caffeine, so it can be energizing, and it can also increase the sensitivity of the penis as well. So guys who are having issues reaching ejaculation or having satisfying orgasms can often find that DHEA is very pro-libido, very pro-arousal, and it can also help with your metabolism. It can help with insulin sensitivity. It does a lot of really cool stuff in the body. But we only want to supplement with it if it is low, because if it's not low and you add too much on and you take your levels too high, you're going to be overstimulated, you're going to get side effects, you're going to sweat like a motherfucker, and you're going to get pimples as well. So yeah, 7 keto DHEA, total waste of time.